gonna ask you one more time to stop popping that gum.
Whatever.
Madea, you going to Lisa's wedding?
Yeah, I'm going. I tell you that Vanessa's been weighing me out, asking me about it. I'm gonna go. Look, girl, if you don't stop popping that gum.
Look, if you touch me, I'm gonna call 911.
My daughter tried that. I hit her so hard she dialed 919.
Look, you don't know me. I'll whoop an old woman.
What? Who the hell you talking to?
I'm talking to you. You think I'm playing?
I don't know who. Yeah. Medea. Shut up. Now sit in that seat. Put the seatbelt on. You better put that seatbelt on right now. What the hell wrong with these children today? But I set them straight. You know, I'm from the old school, and I will beat the hell out of you first and ask questions later. If you don't know how to get in line, I will get you.